I'm going to show you how I created this look. So I've not used any heat whatsoever to create this style, so it's quite a quick updo. If you're going to do it on a client with finer hair, you need to bear in mind that you will need to work some product in the hair, if it's either blow dry, some salt spray in, some texture use some texture spray, but you're going to need to get some kind of grip in the hair. This hair is actually quite textured, so it's actually gone together quite well. I've put in a couple of fishtail braids, and there's also, if you see here, there's like a little bit of a basket weave. I thought just to sort of make it a little bit different, I quite like that. So I'm just going to show you all the way around. And the jewellery there is from Sweet V, which I think really complements the style nicely. So there she goes. So I also have used bungee tape, because I think that's worked really well. I've only used it the second time I've used it, but I find it works really well. Let's see, bungee tape for the sort of tying up the ends of the braids. But I'm going to show you how I created this. So let me know what you think. Okay, so I've started with some sections here. I've just put this crown area in, so you can just put a little bit of back combing, maybe a bit of texture spray, and just get your height area in. We've got one section here directly under the crown area, so that's going to go into a fishtail braid. Then we've got another section here, just going to twist this around. Okay, this is going to go into a fishtail braid, and a smaller piece here, as you can see, it's quite small, that is going to be the basket weave. And then this section here is going to be kind of twisted over. But anyway, I just wanted to get that in sections, so it just makes it a bit easier when you try to recreate. So I'm going to start with the fishtail. So what I'll do is get it into the four pieces, ready for fishtail, and you need to stand at this angle and start doing your fishtail coming in this direction. I'm not being too neat with it because I think it looks a bit better if it's a little bit undone, so I don't want it to be too perfect. Okay, so now I've got towards the ends, I'm just going to show you the bungee tape. So literally, I'm right at the ends, pretty much right at the ends. Let's just get it a little bit further down. That's it. So the bungee, I've only got a really small piece because obviously I just need it on the very ends. So I'm just going to, if you can see, just wrap it round. And then that's nicely secured the end of that. Okay, so that's your first fishtail braid. So I recommend using Indola texture powder just to, if you're working with fine softer hair, you're just going to want to need to get a bit of grip in there. So I'm just going to pop just a little because I don't really need that much. That one. I might just pull it out just a fraction. Just gives it a little bit. I'm just securing the first braid in place. Okay, so then this piece, I'm just going to go through, literally through the braid. It's just coming out there. Right. I don't like to see any gaps, so I always kind of look and see what needs tweaking. Just to see, so you can see that gap's gone now. So it's starting to take shape already. So here we have the finished result. So I hope you enjoyed watching that tutorial. I'm just going to let you have a look a bit closer. So we've got the basket weave coming through here, and you can see the fishtail braid. around here. The kind of softness going on around the front there. Well, thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.